జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Yes, we all, the rishis and munis, we all eat just herbs and fruits and do tapasya. With that, we gain, we earn so much of dharmam, so much of punyam, so much of power out of our tapasya. You know, Rama, what do we do with that tapasya? Tatra rajnyaha chaturbhagaha prajadharmena rakshataha. We give our tapasyakti, 4% of our tapasyakti to the king who takes care of the kingdom, who takes care of the people as his children. To him we give our tapasyakti, 4th part of our tapasyakti. Like this, all the munis are expressing their views and trying to tell Ramachandra Swami something about their pains. All the Maharshis came to Sri Ramachandra Swami and saying to Ramachandra Swami like this, "Oh Rama, you are our protector, Tvannadhaha. You are the one who has to take care of every one of us. But having you as our protector, we are suffering here a lot like orphans, anadhavat. Ho Rama, Rakshasaihi vadhyate bhrusam. All the Rakshasas are torturing us. That is why, just like orphans, we are suffering a lot. Ho Rama, come here. Look at all these Maharshis. Ehi Pasya Sharirani Muninam Bhavitatmanam. Look at these Maharshis, how all the Rakshasas tortured these Maharshis who were in the meditation of Paramatma. Ho Rama, Pampanadi Nivasanam Anu Mandakinim Api, the Maharshis who are living on the banks of Pampanadi. Those Maharshis who are living on the banks of Mandakini, Rakshasas are torturing them a lot, Rama. Oh Rama, we are unable to take this torture anymore, take this pain anymore. That is why we are taking refuge at your feet. We are surrendering to you. Tvam saranardhancha saranyam samupasthitaha. You are the one who has to protect every one of us. Paripalayano Rama, please protect us. Oh Rama, on this earth, in this entire universe, Prithvivyam Paratvatto Gatirvira na upapadyate. We don't find anyone other than you who can protect us. We don't find anyone other than you who gives us good shelter. We don't find anyone other than you who is our destination. You are my shelter, you are my everything. Like that, all the Maharshis requesting and praying Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then Ramachandra Swami felt so bad, saying that, do not please beg me. You are supposed to order me. Ajñaptoham, I am at your service. You are all supposed to order me. You know what? The reason that I came here only to remove this Rakshasas, torture Rakshasas from this area so that you all will be safe. That is the main reason I came here. While taking care of my fathers, while obeying my father's orders, I came here to take care of you all. Ho Maharshis, me ayam vane vaso bhavishyati mahapalaha. You all will realize that my this 14-year vanavasam is going to give huge benefits to the entire universe. Oh Maharshis, now you all will realize that how powerful we are. You all will witness how strong and how great valor myself and my brother has. Pashyantu viryam sabhraturme, we will show you how great, how powerful we are, and we will kill all these Rakshasas. Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami gave assurance to all the Maharshis, and from there he is now moving forward to go to Sutikshna Maharshi Ashramam. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.